journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward, and you'll
This is
stop
Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from while you input your time travel search.
Now we can handle the team and survive together. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today.
Now this takes the car.
At the Great Library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. All too much. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East. The first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, most and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
Today, June 19, 1928, will forever be known as the day that she...
In 1969, from somewhere else,
The biggest news story at 1528. Today between
What if everyone could have one of these amazing machines in their own house? There's just one problem. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in a whole section of garage and house. Young people, together we form a super network that grows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. Spaceship Earth.
In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated.
Show you a new world, custom made.